my God. What's up, Rhody Foody fam? Welcome back to our channel, guys. So basically today, you're going to see me just construct this bad boy. It's the Big 12 Challenge from RDR Food Reviews. And essentially, I have to eat a cheeseburger with 12 patties in it. Just 2 breads, man. Thank God that's a challenge. But essentially, the guy who created this, right, RDR Food Reviews, my man ate it in like a minute and change. I'm not going to be able to do that. Essentially, you get 5 minutes to make it rain. So I'm gonna construct mine real quick for you guys, and then I think also B Love and Nate, they also attempted it. I think that they did as much as they could without. I think Nate didn't eat the. I don't think he ate the bread though. That's okay. Hey, we're not like we are not professional. Oh my God, we're not professional. Oh, I got the double cheeseburgers too. Oh my God. Okay. Beepity boop. Get that in there. Oh man, I'm salivating. Haven't eaten all day. Trying to put this together. Oh, this thing is insane. Oh my God. Who sits there and says 12 patties? Food challenge. Lego. I'm like shaking. I'm nervous. Oh my God. So he had a really good what do we want to call it? Strategy where like, he basically just said, you know what? I'm gonna take it from. He's gonna deconstruct it. What the heck is this? I'll put some of the patties here, but look at this thing. Oh my God. I need a thumbnail too. Oh my God. Look at this. I can't even. What are these? Oh my God, what's my thumbnail, guys? This or like, ah! Oh, it's so bright now. Hold on. Beepity boop. There you go. All right, that'll be the thumbnail. All right, so I don't have a timer here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start at the top of the minute for where I see my video camera going, and then we'll go from there. 30-second countdown. Here we go. I only had ketchup from what you call it, from Burger King. So this will have to do. I forgot to ask them. By the way, they get, which I don't blame them. They get really mad when you order this many situations. All right, guys. 10 seconds. Here we go. With the whistle. So it'll be at 3. So I have to stop it at the 8. Okay. Here we go. BBD and boop. Oh, man. Oh, I did a minute. Oh. Oh my God. Right on the dot. Right on the freaking dot. Oh my God. 12, the Big 12 Challenge by RDR Food Reviews. I saw it on his, and then I saw it, I forget on who else's I saw it. And then I think on that same day or the following day, I saw it on B Loves Life. Oh, man. That's the type of challenge, again, that is like really fun, tastes really good for like the first... for like the first like 6 to 10 bites, and then after that becomes work. And then if you guys saw me like right in the middle, I hit a freaking wall. Oh my God. Honestly, there was a moment where like halfway through it, I was like, I'm not going to be able to do this challenge. But sometimes, mind over matter, you push through it. There's a girl down in, I don't know if you guys follow like food challenge. I'm not a food challenge person. I think she's down in Australia or New Zealand. This tiny girl puts away like freaking 10,000, 12,000 calories in one sitting. You know how long it takes this old body to burn off 12,000 calories? I think I'm still burning off 12,000 calories from from January. Oh my God. All right, that was a fun one. I didn't mind that one. This is gonna hurt later. I already know. That was a lot of meat and a lot of chisel. The thing too, when you do this challenge and you're eating it, it gets gummy. And you're like, oh my God, get out of there. So that's why I was sipping. I was like, eating. I know some people hate when people do that, but... Oh, man. Should have got a large. All right. All right, guys. So this weekend, we are... This is for the Rhody Foody fan. By the way, my name is Lupe, if you're new to the channel. We do food reviews, food mukbangs, we do vlogs, we do eating tours, we do challenges. This weekend, for those of you that have been around since day uno, we are doing a vlog of downtown Providence, which is where Rhode Island, where Rhody Foody is based out of. It's our capital city. And we got a hotel room. We got some dinner reservations We're also going to do some downtown shopping. And I'm going to show you guys how beautiful our little downtown. We have a really cutie street called Westminster Street. That's very old-timey, and it's kind of what you think of New England charm, with the brick sidewalks and everything. It's really beautiful. So we'll be doing that this weekend. Also, I know that we had to postpone another week for our B Loves Life Smackalicious sauce seafood boil. We're still trying to figure out what everybody likes that wants to put in it, and then also our YouTube live. Again, this is, for some reason, this time of year, everyone just ended up being really super busy. So I was like, what the heck, guys? We got the Rhody Foody family waiting for us. So we'll figure all that out. Again, thank you so much, because I saw this on B Loves Life, and then I forget who else I saw it on, and then obviously the originator, Mr. Food Reviews, RDR. And make sure you follow him on Instagram and subscribe to his channel. I'm obviously going to put in the description and in also the title to give him credit. That was fun. I did it right in the nick of time. Until next time, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you end up doing this, let me know if you think you can do it. That was a lot of patties. And I got the double cheeseburgers, so that was double. And until next time, be well, eat well, and take care of each other. Man, McDonald's better sponsor me in the future. Guys, Rhody Foody better get famous, because my body right now hates me. It hates me so much. All right, so bye, guys.